welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Deandra. Definitely make sure you subscribe for new videos every single week. Welcome back to week 3 of my Halloween Spooktober series. The theme that I've chosen for this week's tutorial is Euphoria. So I took inspiration from Demie's super iconic Euphoria look with the gems and the baby hairs and the gems along the baby hairs. So I took inspo from that and I kind of did my own spin on it with like the tear from the show. So if you're interested in following the steps to see how I achieve this look, then make sure you keep on watching. So as per usual, we're going to be starting off this look with a bare face and our edges laid, and here's me just feeling myself. Then I'm taking my NYX No Filter primer to start off our base for this look. And then I'm just rubbing that in. Now I'm just taking some concealer and covering up any imperfections. So now for brows, I'm just going to be filling them in very naturally and just staying true to the shape and using brow-like hair strokes. In the show, usually the main focus of their looks are their eyes, and usually they have a very natural brow and natural face makeup as well, so that's what I'm just trying to emulate here. Then taking some more concealer, I'm just going to be carving out under my brows and then blending that down over my lids as well. Now I'm just going in and blending out the concealer, and then I also go in with some brow gel just to keep my brow hairs in place. Now going in with some eyeshadow primer, I'm just applying that to my eyes, blending it out, and then going in with my Fenty setting powder to set the base for my eyeshadow. I love doing that. Now starting with eyeshadow, I'm just going to be taking this chocolate brown color from my Milani Bold Obsessions palette and just blend that into my crease as a nice transition shade. Then I'm going to be taking this pinkish purple shadow and blending that out over across my lid, and then using these two iridescent highlighters to create a wing. Then using this deep violet shadow, I'm just using that to intensify the color. Now I'm taking some clear gloss and I'm just going to be applying that over top of the shadow and creating a wing shape. Then I drag the gloss down to create the teardrop. Now I'm using these loose glitter pigments and this fine detailed brush, and I'm just going to be outlining the tear and the shape of my eye. Taking some more concealer to clean up underneath my eyes. Now taking these butterfly glitter sequins, I'm just going to be using the different colored pinks that they come in and dispersing that throughout my eye and creating the nice pink theme that's going on. Then I'm just doing the same to the other eye. Then taking my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, I'm just applying that. Now to finish my face makeup, I'm just going to be blending out the rest of the concealer. Applying some bake under my cheekbones, down my nose, above my cupid's bow. Then I'm just applying some bronzer and contouring my nose. Like I said before, the focus is really about the eyes, so I'm trying to keep the face makeup very, very minimal. Now taking the same iridescent highlighters from before, I'm just applying that to my cheekbones, my brow bone, the tip and bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. Now for the fun part, I'm just taking my gems and I'm applying them first to my eye. I'm just following the shape of the glitter that we outlined before on this eye. And then I'm just going to start applying them around my baby hairs and creating a shape. Here I kind of just freestyled and kind of just applied as much and used the different colors that I had to my liking. Then I'm applying some to the outer parts of my brow for this brow, and then I go ahead and apply them over top of my full brow on my right side. Then I'm applying super tiny rhinestones to the teardrop so that when it catches the light, you can really see it. And then at this point, I'm basically just trying to even out what I did on the right side of my face. This part doesn't take too long. It's just about making sure that they're super neat and in a straight line. That's the part that takes the longest, but getting them on really isn't that hard. Now I'm taking some blush and applying that to make my cheeks super rosy. Now for lips, I'm just going to be lining them with this brown liner and then blending that out with my finger. Now I'm using my NYX Butter Gloss in Praline. And then topping that off with some regular clear gloss. Now I'm going back in with some more rhinestones on my baby hairs just to even out the other side and make it look a little more asymmetrical. And then that is it for the makeup. And for my hair, I decided to keep it very simple since this look is a little more on the dramatic side, and I'm just putting it back into a bun so that the look can really shine through. So unfortunately, we've come to the end of this video. If you liked it, definitely make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you guys have any other tutorial suggestions or ideas that you guys would like to see me recreate, and I'll definitely do them. All of my other social medias will be linked in the description if you want to follow me on any of those. Also, definitely make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and definitely make sure you tune in next week to see the next look in my Halloween Spooktober series. Bye!